cut a triangle and you pass it through the spindle. Then in the rollers, as you may see, first in the middle, then down under the printer. But also remember to adjust the printing if you are going to hold the iMac. Then on top of the printer, then down to the last roller, and then below it, and then you pull it down, it comes to the seed dispenser. And remember to make it pass all through the locking gears down to the corner of the locking gears. And then when you reach there, you take care, because there are some home devices of which the film has to go in between them, so that when it's time to locking, it's perfectly done. You continue, and then you can see here that is the red gear which I said, which has to be opened. And then after making the film still pass through the last two wheels, you lock the gear. And that's all. Thank you.